well, it's parade for freedom for everybody who are not free to walk. So that's why we are here. I think this is encouragement for the people who are still afraid to get out and to be themselves.
Very positively surprised that this can happen in Zagreb. I lived through all the systems here in Croatia and former Yugoslavia, and I would never think about happening like this here.
I don't think this is only gay pride anymore. It's something more than just a gay pride, you know. All kinds of comments, all people saying that it's very okay, that they feel like their children are inside. And on the other hand, older people who says that this all should be burned out.
A lot of people are raged about them. It's not my opinion, I don't care, but I can understand people that are raged about this parade, but I also understand these people over there.
Ja bih zabranio djeci da ovo gledaju.
Great. I think it's really well organized and it's great. I think it's important to have that constant event every year, so the awareness is higher every year.
Well, it seems everybody's enjoying it, right? I don't see anybody's protest.